Welcome to our channel. If your Firestick is buffering constantly and interrupting your streaming experience, follow these comprehensive troubleshooting steps to fix the problem and enjoy smooth playback. Step 1. Check your internet speed by opening a web browser on any device and searching for Internet Speed Test. You need at least 5 Mbps for HD streaming and 25 Mbps for 4K content. Step 2. Restart your Fire Stick by unplugging it from power and your TV. Wait 30 seconds before plugging everything back in. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the network connection. Step 3. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This can resolve network congestion issues and establish a fresh connection between your router and Fire Stick, improving streaming performance. Step 4. Move your Fire Stick closer to your Wi-Fi router or connect via an Ethernet adapter for a more stable wired connection. Distance and obstacles weaken Wi-Fi signals and cause buffering. Step 5. Clear app cache by going to Settings Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Select each streaming app and click Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may slow down performance. Step 6. Reduce video quality settings within streaming apps like Netflix or Prime Video. Lowering resolution from 4K to HD or from HD to SD reduces bandwidth requirements and minimizes buffering issues. Step 7. Close background apps that may be using bandwidth. Press Home, navigate to Settings Applications, Manage Installed Applications, select Running Apps, and choose Force Stop to free up resources. Step 8. Contact your internet service provider if buffering persists. You may need a faster internet plan, or there could be issues with your service requiring technical support to resolve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.